How to use voice typing on keyboard of Samsung phone. In this video, I will guide you on how to use voice typing on keyboard of Samsung phone. Now, let's say you want to send in a message. Now, you can easily type in the text message here, but if you want to use the voice typing, you want to tap on this microphone icon. Now, you can simply start talking, tap to pause, and as you can see, the message has been typed. If you want to talk again, you can simply tap to talk. If you do not have this feature, then you simply want to open up your settings, then scroll down a bit and tap on General Management. Now select Samsung Keyboard Settings. From here, select the option of Voice Input. Now you want to set this to either Google Voice Typing or Samsung Voice Input. You can select whichever option you want, but if you select none, you're not going to get the option of voice typing. So make sure that you select either of Samsung or Google Voice Typing. Once that is done, you will now get this feature on your keyboard, and that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.